a modern manufacturing facility built for precision electrical system integration. Standardized production of electrical control panels ensures consistency and reliability. Each panel is engineered to meet strict industrial and safety standards. Fully assembled switchgear systems ready for deployment across diverse applications. Advanced CNC and laser processing enable high-precision component fabrication. Busbar processing is optimized for conductivity, efficiency, and thermal performance. Lean production workflow enhances productivity and quality control. A well-organized facility layout ensures smooth and efficient operations. Skilled technicians perform precise assembly of critical electrical components. Strict wiring standards ensure safety, stability, and long-term performance. Comprehensive testing and integration capabilities support turnkey solutions, delivering reliable electrical systems that power industries worldwide.